Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is 2024, March 1st. So, you'll be cover 7 stocks today by the research houses. Let's starting with the disclaimers. The stock mentioned in this video is serving as a learning purposes. It's not buying, selling call for the viewer subscriber. And we're starting with the overnight US market. Overnight US market is positive. S&P up by 0.5%. Nasdaq climbing close at the historical high, up by 0.9% above 16,000 level. Dow Jones up slightly, which is 0.1%. We can see that overnight market in the China is positive. The rest is pretty much positive as well. So even though the PCE inflation data released in the US is matched to expectation, so the Nasdaq closing at the highest level. So the PCE Nasdaq hit the record close for the first time since 2021 as US stock and higher. So and then the benchmark 10 years Treasury yield and February the biggest jump in months, around 5% level. Okay, so we have a look on the there's a news which I already mentioned sharing earlier on last few days ago, which our one of the famous fund managers, Mr. Tan Teng Boo with the iCaps companies. They are mentioning that potentially KLCI could be potentially rise to 2,005 to 3,000 points in the next 3 to 5 years. So I think it is a realistic target. So I would say it's pretty much positive, which is similar to my view as well. I'm pretty much positive to local market, which already bottoms. And what the meanings by 2,005 to 3,000 point level? In Malaysia, the historical highest level in Malaysia, KLCI, is around 1,009. So 2,005 to 3,000 pretty much is historical high level for the next 3 to 5 years times. So you can see which is very bullish to the local market because the politicals is already certainty. And the government will be focused on the constructions, everything that it will bring up the economics for the coming futures. So it mentioned now is the time to buy Malaysian stocks. We are looking for beginning of major bull market. So you can, so whether you want to join this bullish market or not, it's pretty much depends. I would say most of the retail investors, they are joining when the index already risen a lot, maybe already risen to 1,009 level. Only people want to joining in, right? So you need to be aware the where is the market condition right now. I mean whether the KLCI at the low range, middle range, or high range levels, all those things. You need to make judgment from there. So we have a look on the indexes in the Nasdaq. They are closing at the historical high, and the S&P, Dow Jones. There's nothing much difference for the past few days. Okay, so we can see the trending is still positive in the US market. There's nothing to worry at this moment since the trending is moving up. So we have a look on the local KLCI market. KLCI up by 5 points. Is still trading within the trading box range, which is the purple box right over here. Meaning that the trending has been trading sideways for 1 week plus. So it has to break through this box to filling up for more trending upward. Okay, so meaning that current trading box range will be 1540 1540 to 1560 level. So previous close was 1551. I would say the trending is still positive because the Index is still standing above uptrend line and above 20 days simple moving average. So we come back to the stock pick by research house. The first one will be by M-Bank, which is KGB, Clinton Group Berhad. So overnight closing 255 with a volume of 7.9 million share traded. Is still bullish trending. Stop loss level given is 233, which is acceptable to me, and the it's around 10%. Yes, it's around 9 to 10% level risk, and the target given will be 280 and 3 ringgit level. Okay, so the next stock pick will be VSTech. VSTech is still on the uptrending. Actually, it has been breaking up in the mid of the February over here. When the volume coming in on this level, it's broken the historic with consolidations range right over here. So it's pretty much positive to going upward after this. So the stop loss level given would be 141. It seems to be too large for the stop loss level because it's about 23 cent level, which is around 15% risk above, and the target given would be 180 and 2 ringgit level. So let's have a look on the next research house topic, which is by RSP. So this one is Samdabi. So the trending is still positive. They are mentioning breakout to 268, which already broken yesterday. So closing at 271. Stop loss level given is 250. Acceptable, which is around 8 to 9% stop loss level. Target given would be 105. 290 and 310. Where is the 290 and 310? Let's have a look. 290 and 310 is pretty much back to 2018 level. So in the mid of May of 2018 and the January of 2018 level. So it's pretty much positive. At this moment, it's already broken the major resistance right over here. So the trending has been changed for previous month. So the next topic would be Theta. So it did mention pending for breakout 94 cent. Overnight closing is 93.5. Technically, I would say it's already broken as it mentioned right there. What it mentioned, it has to be closed above 94 cent only to buy in. But it's nothing much difference to me for that. It's already broken right there. So, and the stop loss level given is like 2.5, which is pretty much acceptable. It's around 8 cent. And the target price given is 105 and 115 level. So we need to have a look whether it can break in above 1 ringgit or not. So because the previous high is come to 1 ringgit, it will come down. So see whether this trending will be positive or not. So the next topic by Research South of UOB, Yenhe. Yenhe holding Berhad. So we can see that overnight the trending seems to be broken up right over here. Volume is not so attractive from there, and the stop loss level given is 82 cent, which is around 6 cent risk, and the target given is 98 cent, 102. Risk reward is pretty much standard. I believe they are calling for this buy is because of bounce off for this support level. Anyhow, it's not my favorite because the volume is not coming in yet. The volume has not coming in yet. If you're buying in, I was suggesting really you need to wait for the pullback first. Okay, so the next topic will be Perak Transit. Perak Transit, overnight closing 131. The volume is pretty much acceptable, attractive, which is 4 million share traded. You can see the curve is pretty much look like a U curve right over here. Stop loss level given is 119, which is around 12 cent level. Cut loss, which is acceptable, which around 9 to 10%. And the target given would be 145 and 149, which is somewhere higher range right over there. So I can't show you right over there. So anyhow, the next stocks would be Sign. Signature International's Berhad. So we can see that they are calling for this purely because of the swing right here. Volume is 1.3 million share traded, closing at 9.2 Stop loss level is 82 cents, which is around 11% stop loss level. Target given is 105 and 116. Anyhow, this stock is still on the downtrend. You need to make sure if you control the risks. If you are trading for the downtrend stocks, I believe there's another stock picks given by the Maybank Investment Bank. You can have a look right over here. You can check it in the listings. So the stock picks would be Unisem, Citos, Julius Technologies, AdTech lah, which means AdTechs. So you can check on the target price and stop loss level givens. And I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.